to steal a parking spot. She was so upset she pulled out a baseball bat. What do you think, was this staged or real? Let us know in the comments. A store ran a promo offering a cash reward to anyone who changed their last name. To match the brand, one woman took the bait, but her husband wasn't thrilled. To get back at her for selling out the family name, he poured concrete into her car. A neighbor kept parking in front of the house of the person filming, despite being asked many times not to. Talking didn't help, but this improvised sprinkler system finally got the message across. The car owner refused to move his vehicle from a road construction site. The workers weren't having it and got the job done their own way. Here's a perfect example of why you should never block access to a fire hydrant. One especially, Ball's driver blocked everyone in and just walked off. Luckily, another driver showed exactly how to act in that kind of situation. Oh! Ha 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 ha. Oh dude, ha ha ha. Who says forklifts are only for warehouses and construction sites in Sydney? One was used to move a car that was blocking the crew. Krosny asked Rusher when these wrestlers saw this poorly parked car. They took matters into their own hands, literally. Any guesses why someone wrapped this car in plastic? This guy parked right on the beach and went off to grab food, but he forgot one little detail to tie. It's harsh, but probably a very effective way to teach someone how not to park. Hey! You might think he's pouring something gross onto the car, but he's actually setting it on fire. Could parking on the grass really have made someone that angry? A pedestrian taught this driver a lesson for stopping right on the crosswalk. That's what you get for being rude. Here we've got this guy sprinting after a tow truck, trying to stop his car from being taken away. Judging by how fast he's running, his love for the car beats any kind of doping. Even a Bugatti Veyron isn't above the law. Even a hypercar gets the boot if it breaks the rules. When choosing a parking spot in Russia, don't just look around, look up too. A John Deere excavator versus a Toyota Corolla. Place your baits. Next up, a strong contender for worst parking attempt in Spain. Now that's thoughtful. This car was parked too close to an intersection, so some locals decided to just move it themselves. A curb on one side, a car on another. Luckily, this story has a happy ending. An inexperienced driver in a cramped parking lot. What more do you need for a funny video? In the US, a retaining wall gave way in the middle of the night, burying several cars under a pile of rocks. Luckily, no one was hurt since it happened around 2 a.m. A woman was furious that her car was being taken over unpaid debts. She turns the tow truck driver's day into something between an action movie and a circus act. Now that's parking. Just look how little space this driver left on both sides. A girl on a tractor casually showed up at this parking lot. The big question: this is an ad. What exactly is it promoting? First, the pickup truck moved with the grace of a ballerina. Then it turned into a full-on wrestling match. This pickup driver wasn't happy about someone stealing his spot, and he was ready to get even about it. God, what a pussy dude. What the fuck is he doing? He ain't gonna do nothing. Hell no. Oh, I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm gonna whoop his ass, oh shit. Oh my god, he's driving over your I'm big as fuck. Get the fuck out of my goddamn new car. I just bought this, my mommy bought this for me. This guy proves that a wheel clamp is not a problem, but a challenge. Yeah, that's fine. We can be in touch with the city of Raleigh. We have all your information, city of Durham. Here's a crash course on how to move a car without the keys. Makes you wonder why the handbrake wasn't on. Don't park in wrong place, fellow. This guy couldn't park properly and paid the price for it. That's one lesson he won't forget anytime soon. Smart. Get out. Good job. We're in Tashkent, the capital of Uzbekistan, where a local police officer parked illegally and ended up with some pretty insulting stickers all over his car.